Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay Judor, and today I'm going to show you all how I achieve this look. And you would think it's a sew-in, but it's not. It's a V-part wig. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I achieve this look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please be aware that when I take this off, it's about to get so real, okay? I'm going to prep my hair to install my V-part wig. I let my hair air dry, and this is what I'm looking like, okay? The braids, I had the braids in for about, what, a month now? I can't even see like my scalp for real. But I have like 2 anchor braids right here, and then the rest of the braids are just sewn straight back, intersected. I'm going to detangle my hair, and then I'm going to blow dry it. Okay, so we all blow dried. And so now what I'm going to do is oil my scalp. I oil my scalp with rosemary and grapeseed oil. And I make this little concoction up at home in my own kitchen. Definitely works. It helps your hair grow. Your hair will look silkier, shinier. Then I like to go in with a heat protectant because I am gonna, flat iron my hair. So, okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig. So I'm going to use a V-part wig that I purchased from Beautyforever. Looks like this. This is an 18-inch wig. So it has the clips, a comb in the back, adjustable straps. Alright. And when it comes to like the V shape, I don't do a whole lot of measuring, trying to make sure I leave out the right amount of hair or anything of that nature. I just kind of like feel as I go. And this is about as much hair that I left out. I take the clips and I'm just gonna clip it onto the anchor braid, snap it in place. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know why this wig, like it don't wanna. So I'm just gonna snap it in place. Go on to the next side. Take the clip, put it on the anchor braid, clip it in place. So then I have one more clip on this side. Just gonna clip it in place. Got another clip on that side, clip it in place. Then I'm gonna take the hair clip in the back, push that on through there, and then we have clips on the side. See? And I'm just gonna comb it on through that braid right there. And the same on this side. Got the comb. I'm just gonna slide it on through under that braid right there. Okay, easy as 1, 2, 3. Like you literally would think that I had a sew-in, but I don't. So now I'm going to flat iron my leave out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this hair up. And I'm going to flat iron my leave out, flat iron my edges. Alright, I'm gonna take some Bio Silk and apply to my leave out. I'm gonna take my pencil flat iron and just go through this. Okay. One pass with the flat iron and it's already blending in with the wig. Okay. Oh my gosh, I could really just like leave it like this. Honestly, I could. That's why I love V-part wigs. Like, you don't have to do too much, you know? I'm gonna add some line curls. Like, put it behind my ear, I can do that. You know? Like, it's so natural. So I'm just gonna divide my hair into 2 sections. I'm gonna take a section. So I'm just gonna make some loose curls. I'm just gonna wrap the hair around the wand. Hold it there probably like 20 seconds or so. Alright, so I'm done wine curling my hair. I'm just gonna spray some Sebastian on my hair. Just to hold the curls. And then flyaways, I'm gonna spray them down too. Take my petal brush And I'm just going to brush the curls out. This is the results, okay? You can't tell me it doesn't look like I have a sew in. Alright? That's why I love V-part wigs. Like, easy, simple. And then let's get into the curls. Okay? I was gonna do some baby hairs, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. It looks real natural like this. And this is why I love V-part wigs. Easy, simple, manageable. You don't have to worry about no glue. You don't have to worry about your lace lifting up. No. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Y'all, please don't take me serious. But it's just something about when you get your hair done, you just feel like a new person. And so, yes. Pro with these V-part wigs, at night, you can literally take them off, put them back on the next day, you know? On and off, on and off. You don't have to sleep in these unless you want to. I really don't.